Malawi is facing a lot of challenges, including the climate change. We have got issues of natural disasters each and every year, be it floods and also be it dry spells. People resort to cut down trees, maybe for economic purposes, burning charcoal, selling firewood. And we also don't have a reliable source of energy for the rural communities to use when maybe cooking. So they opt to cut down trees to make firewood and charcoal.
As Greenpop, we are trying to really support the community projects that are based here in Mulanje and trying to support the sustainable development not only of the people but of the landscape as well. It's important for us to get the trees in the ground, but also to ensure that they survive, and also to make sure that we maintain an adaptive approach to the implementation of the interventions that we do. It's important that we can't just let trees get planted and let them go, but we need to make sure that over the long term, this project is sustainable and that these trees remain healthy and can thrive to form a really vital and thriving ecosystem within this landscape.
DHL is sponsoring 12,000 trees. By supporting us with the trees, we're able to support MMH. They are then able to implement a whole host of different development activities that can hopefully support this community and the surrounding environment.
It's a very important initiative for us because it is in line with a Go Green initiative where we are looking at improving the communities, planting trees.
We're at Madwika village in Mulanje. We started the planting of the trees. It's only just begun. From here we're going to be heading into the river and toward the top of the mountain. And we've got some amazing people here, a lot of enthusiasm from the village. I think it's going to be an awesome day.
Coming here to plant this tree to vegetation in our country.
Planting the trees has been a very eye-opening thing because I didn't know it was really special to do that.
I just want to thank everyone who has been involved in this project. I want to thank the officials from Greenpop. I want to thank the DHL Africa Management Board. I want to thank DPDHL for helping us and for choosing Malawi to be part of this project.
I'd really love to just thank all the partners, the community, MMH, and the team that have been on the ground here, and DHL for the ongoing support. We're really excited about this project.
We can really form change within this space, not only for the natural heritage, but for the people at its core.